will be a video on a 6430 John Deere orchard tractor. I'm gonna have obviously screens and sweeps, auxiliary hydraulics back here, PTO. It does have a 3-point issue. That's what this is all about. How she came in, didn't really get the whole story on that. Just kind of found out when I went out here to get on her. So yeah, keep that in mind. And it does have like a dash lighting up working issue, so we'll show you that, and an intermittent throttle situation. I'll show you that too. Yeah, I wish I knew more, but yeah, finding it out as I go on this particular one. So let's jump on her. Show you what I see, you want to know. Like I say, the dash, I mean, it doesn't light up in the center, or no gauge response. Nothing. That's the switches, nothing coming up. And then the other is the foot throttle. Nothing but hand throttle. Throttle's up good. So right now it's fine, but I had it when I moved it earlier. It went into like a low throttle response mode, like right here. So it's like it only revs up a little bit, so I don't know what that's all about. Maybe something's pinched, I don't know. Yeah, so just letting you know what I'm seeing. But it does move out, it goes through the gears, no problem. You know, I'm just not sure what the throttle deal's all about, or the dash. Let me put this in park. I'm going to try to do the PTO. So that should be on. Let's jump off here and check it out. No, try different. Let's see. Not greasy. Say I'm finding it out as we go here. I'm not privy to the information on this particular one. Try that. Nothing yet, so must be something right back in here, a little issue. Yeah, anyways, showing you what I see, telling you how I see it. I wish I knew more. So catch you on the next one, or come check her out, see what you think. But yeah, we'll catch you on the next video.